Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about digital marketing with AI. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future. It is already changing how marketing works. From content writing to ads, SEO, social media and customer support. AI is everywhere. So in this video I will explain what AI means in digital marketing and how AI is used in real marketing, and also best AI tools for marketers, and how beginners can start using AI today. Let's begin. Digital marketing with AI. In today's digital world, AI is changing how marketing works. From content creation to ads and customer supports, AI helps marketers work smart and faster. In this presentation, I will show how AI is transforming digital marketing and how anyone can use it. Let's talk about what is AI in digital marketing. AI in digital marketing means using smart tools that analyze data, learn from users, and automate tasks. AI helps marketers make better decisions using real data instead of guesswork. Why AI matters in marketing? AI is important because it saves time and reduces efforts. It lowers marketing costs, improves targeting, and helps businesses reach the right audience with the right message. Let's talk about AI in content creation. AI can help create blogs, YouTube scripts, social media captions, and email content. Here we can use tools like ChatGPT, help marketers generate ideas fast. Let's talk about tools. We can use tools ChatGPT, Jasper AI, Copy.ai. There are so many AI tools available in the market. You can try. Let's talk about AI in SEO. In SEO, AI helps with keyword research, content optimization, and competitor analysis. It tell us it tells us what people are searching for and how to rank better on Google. Let's talk about tools we can use for AI in SEO. For Surfer SEO, we can use AI Surf Semrush AI, Rank Math AI. There are other tools also we can use. And now let's talk now we let's talk about AI in social media. AI helps marketer understand audience behavior on social media. It suggests that the best posting time, caption, and analyzes which content perform best, performs best. And for this, these AI tools can help Hootsuite AI, Buffer AI, and sorry, Canva AI. We can use AI in paid advertising. AI plays a big role in Google Ads and Facebook Ads. It helps with smart bidding, uh, audience targeting, and ad optimization to get better results in less budgets. And for this, we can use which AI is already AI is already running ads behind the scene for automation bidding, audience targeting, ad performance optimization. It helps reduce ad cost and increase conversions too. And and for chatbots and automation AI, let's talk. AI chatbots provide 24 by 7 customer support. They reply instantly, generate leads, and improve customer experience without human involvement. For this, we can use ChatGPT bots, TDO, WhatsApp AI bots, and for limitation of AI, there are some limitation also. AI is powerful, but is not perfect. It needs good data, human creativity, and emotional understanding, which AI cannot cannot fully replace. And let's talk about future of marketing with AI. The future of digital marketing is AI powered. Marketing will become more personalized, automated, and data driven. Those who learn AI today will stay ahead in the future. These are the few points we have to know about AI with digital marketing. Thanks for watching this video. We will further explain more things on our next video. Thanks.